how to add panel, toolbar, plugins, and Shapefile in QGIS. How to create multiple layers at a time means line, point, and polygon Shapefile create in QGIS. So it is very important if you want to work in QGIS and you are a beginner or a professional. So please like, share, and subscribe my video. If any query, please write me comment. So let's start. We open QGIS. Here is our QGIS and we go to layer. After layer, we go to create layer and go to new temporary scratch layer and we write here point. We write here point, landmark, and geometry type. We select here geometry type, point, and projection default. Okay, our point Shapefile created. Again we go to layer and create layer and new temporary scratch layer and we write here center line and geometry type, line, and projection default, and okay. Our line feature created. Next we go to layer, create layer and new temporary scratch layer and we write here layer name, building, and geometry type, polygon, and okay. Our file is created, point, line, and area. We start editing. So first we create point. So we select here landmark and click toggle editing and here is point feature highlighted. So we click here add point feature and draw a point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here is our point feature and next we draw a line. We select here line and start editing. Go to toggle editing and our line is highlighted. We select here add line feature and draw a line and we right click for end. Our line is created. Next first point and second point and we right click. Our line is created. Third, polygon means building. We select here building. After it we go to toggle editor and our add polygon feature highlighted. We select here and we create polygon, first point, second point, and third point, and we right click for end. Our feature created, first point, second point, and third point, and right click. Our point, line, and polygon Shapefile is created. If you want to change symbology to point feature, right click and go to property. Here is point symbology. You choose as per your requirement. We select it and OK. Our point layer property change and we go to line feature, right click and go to property and we select here layer as per your requirement. You select it and OK. Our line symbology change Next we go to building, right click, property and select here as per your requirement. We select green and OK. Our symbology change. If you want to see detail, you go to table. Here is table, open attribute. We click here. Here is attribute table. And if you want to identify, so you go to identify and you click. Here is identify tool and your detail. Here is nothing detail. Our multiple feature created process and symbology complete successful. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching video. Create line layer and split it. So if you want to work in line feature, so it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Let's start. We open QGIS. After open, we go to layer and we go to create layer and new temporary scratch layer, and we write here layer name, line and geometry type line and OK. After it, we draw line, we select it and go to toggle editing and highlight it. Line feature, we select it and draw line, first point, second point, and we right click. Our line is draw. We draw another line, first point, second point, third point, fourth point, and right click. Our line is created. We create third, first point, second point, third point, fourth and fifth. We write our line feature is created and we check how many feature is created. We go to open attribute and here is our detail 1, 2 and 3. 3 feature is created and we split it. For split, we go to edit and go to edit geometry. After edit geometry, we go to split feature and we click first point and second point and right click. Our feature split, we check it, highlighted, selected and highlighted, and we also check in table. We go to open attribute table and we check here 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 4. So our line is split. If you want to change symbology, so you go to line property, right click, you go to property, you right click. If you want to change symbology, you go to line feature and right click and go to property, and here is layer property. You select as per your requirement. We select it and OK. Our line property changes. Our line creation process and split complete successfully. Please like, share and subscribe. If any query, please write comment. Thank you for watching video. So if you want to start work in QGIS, so it is very important for you. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start. Here is our QGIS software, panels and toolbar. We go to view and last go to panel. Here is panel detail. If you want to add anyone, so you click here. We add browser. Our browser is add and we go to next again view, and if you want to other layer, if you want to add layer, click layer. Here is layer and again we go to view and toolbar and snapping toolbar. Here is our snapping toolbar. We adjust it. Next plugin. If you want to install plugin, go to plugin, manage and install plugin. Here is plugin. You see here all. Here is all plugin. If you want to install it, we click and install it. And here is installed, already installed and not installed. Here is zip. If you have in zip file plugin, so you go to install zip and select here file, zip file and open, then install it. And next, how to add Shapefile in QGIS. Here is our browser. Here is browser. We go to particular drive, D drive, and we select here our folder. Here is our data. We select it. Here is our data, GCB point. We drag it. Here is our data. And if you want to change off and on, you off and on. So our data add successfully. Panels, toolbar, plugin and Shapefile add. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you. We discussed basic to advanced QGIS for creating a layer and add point. If you want to learn QGIS, so it is very important or basic. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start. Here is our QGIS software for creating a point layer. We go to layer and create layer and go to new temporary scratch layer and we write here layer name, point and geometry type, point and projection default and OK. Our point layer created. For create a feature, we select layer and we go to toggle editing, highlight it and we select here add point feature and we click here. Here is our point feature. We create. If you want to see table it, you go to open attribute table and here is table but nothing attribute. Here is our table. Here is 10 feature and if you want to information it, so you go to identify and you select it. Here is identify. Here is all layer information. So we create successful layer and point feature. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching. How to create line shape file in QGIS. If you want to work in QGIS, so it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Let's start. Here is our QGIS and we go to layer. After layer, we go to create layer and go to new temporary scratch layer and we write here layer name. We write here line and geometry type line and our projection default and OK. Our shape file created. If you want to draw line, we select it, select toggle editing and here is highlighted line feature. We select it and first point and second point, third point and after ending we right click. Our line is created. We draw next line, first point, second point and right click. Our line is created. If you want to see property, you go to table. Here is two attribute tables and but attribute nothing. And if you want to see in information only, you go to identifier and you select here identify. Here is all information. So our line feature created successfully. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. How to create polygon shapefile in QGIS. If you want to in QGIS, so it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. If any query, please write me comment. Let's start. Here is our QGIS. We go to layer and create layer. After create layer, we go to new temporary scratch layer and we write here layer name. We write here building, geometry type, polygon and projection default and OK. Our shape file is created and we draw a polygon. For draw polygon, we select it and highlight toggle editing. After it, our polygon is highlighted. We click add polygon and draw a polygon as per requirement. And if you want to end it, you right click and next we draw first point, second point, third and fourth. We right click. If you want to detail, you go to open attribute table and here is detail but attribute nothing. Two features are created. If you want to see and identify, you go to identify and click it and see here detail. And if you want to change symbology, you go to property. You select here symbol as per your requirement. We select here hello and OK. We successful created polygon shape file. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video.